Do you know what today is? Today is National Quitters Day. It's January 19th. It's a Sunday. That's when I'm filming this. And I thought that was so appropriate because I'm not quitting. I am still using my planner. I realize that the reason why I am still successful is that I'm actually using it. And that is what I set out to do. So the first thing that comes to mind is, in keeping a habit, is to be organized and have things out so that you can see them, right? So every night I clean off my desk and I've been putting my planner front and center, all organized right here on my desk. And then when I come in the morning, I bring my coffee just like I did now. It's so good. And I love my Mickey Mouse mugs. This is mini today and mornings aren't pretty. And first thing in the morning, which is another tip, is I'm coming in here and I'm spending time with myself and I'm spending time in my planner. And then I'm removing all the noise, getting it out of my head and getting it in here. Yes, the other thing that I should probably be doing is tracking that I'm using my planner. And I was thinking maybe that would be one of the habits that I use in my tracker, because I keep wondering, what should I use the rest of those habit trackers for? And I think it's going to be because I'm creating a habit using my planner. This is the longest I've gone using my planner or any sort of calendar in years. And I think it's because I'm organized, I'm putting it out in front of me, I'm accountable with you all, and I'm getting up and I'm doing it first thing in the morning. It's just as plain and simple as that. Let's look back at week 3, figure out what I'm going to be doing for week 4 and what I want to change and why this is working for me. It's actually really working. I feel so much more efficient. I feel even more successful because I'm actually doing what I'm setting out to do that I'm putting in my planner. It's pretty crazy. So let me know. How are you doing? How did you do week 1, 2, and 3? And are you excited for week 4? Let me know. I'm going to turn this around and we're going to get started planning. I am loving my pen holder that attaches. If you don't have one of these are great. You can add all your little special pens in here and it keeps everything neat and tidy. I can just pull it off like this. It's got a elastic like that, so that's great. And then these Post-it stickers are awesome. Again, another great addition to planning. I have my computer over here. I've got my phone so I can look at my schedule here. Let's dive in. You can't forget your washi tape. I like having a scissor just in case. It does have a little cutter right here, but sometimes you need to fix it. The thing I want to point out is I'd like to remove this ruler because it's hard to write when this is in. So I usually take that out. And I'd like to find some sort of clip or something to put in here so that I can find the pages, especially when I get farther in. And I'm also going to take out this divider because again, it doesn't help when you're doing your writing. We have the full month calendar, right? And this is just an overview of what's going on. And I love the fact that I can see this and I can see my week. So this is what we have for the days of the week. I have a section here that I sectioned off, which I'm really liking, which is my exercise. And then this is sort of a calendar things per day. And then this is what our meals are if we're out, what we're eating and all that. And that I really felt was much better and easier for me to go through and be more efficient. Then to do this day, this section right here, I'm really enjoying what I'm doing and marking them off. And then this week are bigger items that I need to do, but may not get, I don't know what day I'm going to do them. And I'm going to try to fit them in to my schedule depending on where I have free time. So I'm actually getting better at how I'm using the daily, the to-do today, and this week. So this was where I was struggling in week 1, 2. And I think in this week, for week 3, I got a better handle on this section. So for week 4, I'm going to definitely segment out the different sections. And I'm going to plug in my calendar events for the days, which I haven't done yet. I'm going to do that in a second. And then for my habit tracking, I have been really good. I actually didn't plug in my steps, which were good yesterday. I did no sugar and I did no alcohol. So that's what I do first thing in the morning is I'll come in and do that. And like I said in my intro, I am going to add here that I'm using my planner.
because I think that that is going to keep me accountable to coming in here. And I love checking these things off. And next month, I'm definitely going to use colors to make this prettier because I think that'll make me happy. And then over here, again, this is a work in progress. I'm not so happy with my project planning. This is an extra insert. I think it's from week 1 to now, this is week 3. I'm not really utilizing this that much. And I think I may remove this for February. And then as far as my section in here, I got a little bit better. I did my goals in here. I did my YouTube calendar, what I'm doing there. This is sort of the blank brain dump area. Then I have what my affiliate things are in here that I want to look at. And the reason why I think I want to get rid of this project planner is because if I took this out, let's say it just pulls right out like that. When I'm in my week, I can see this. And so I think that's really important. I think having this project planner in there, it's making it hard for me to see this. And this is going to help me with this. I need to work on that. And then I wanted to draw in here the books. I saw some ladies do some really great like bookshelves. So I started doing it and then I erased it. Thank God for the eraser. And I think I'm going to draw in the books that I've read. And I love these little bigger tape like this to look like a little note. So I'm really like that. That is the end and results of week 3.
I definitely am getting the hang of the calendar. I've gotten to the point now where I've figured out how to use the horizontal daily calendar and what to put in the to-do today and this week. It finally made sense to me. I've had a few people comment. I've seen some other ladies' calendars, and that's really helped me. It's still a work in progress because sometimes I do mess up, but if you've got the erasable pen, you're fine. And so I find that I'll put things in my day calendar, which really should be on my to-do list, and then I don't have room for something that pops up to put in my calendar. It's a work in progress. Like I said, done is better than perfect, and that's my motto. I think I'm gonna remove this project planner for February because it's not allowing me to see the bigger picture for the month, which I really like. I think it's all about the vision casting, seeing what the vision is, seeing the big picture, and I want to be able to see that, and that's why I think this planner is genius. I am going to spend some time right now this morning doing my next week, which is a week 4, and what I'll do is I will turn on the camera and I'll speed it up so you can kind of see what it looks like. Maybe that'll help you with your planning. And again, if you have any tips or tricks, or maybe you saw something that I did that is totally backwards and could be better, let me know, because this is my journey. I want to learn to do it better and be more efficient. I will say that the coolest thing about planning and keeping this habit for the last 3 weeks, I feel so much more efficient. I'm actually getting the things done that I want to get done. Instead of having a million post-it notes, things scattered around, or notes on my phone, I'm now coming to my desk. I'm going into this planner, whether it's a post-it that I write on or it's a piece of paper I bring in here and then I put it in here. I'm finding that I'm actually getting it from my head, from scatterbrain Ridgely into here, and then I come back and I don't forget something that I want to do. Or let's say I have a content creation idea, like I want to do a video on just doing bronzer. I come in here, I write it down as one of my ideas, and so I can come back and find it. It's brilliant. Why did I not do this sooner? I just don't know. So let's take a look at me planning week 4. I'll make it quick. If you want me to slow it down for you because you think it would be easier to see, let me know. But for the keeping this video shorter, I'm going to speed it up. And then in the comments, let me know if you like that or you didn't like that. So I just love my morning coffee and my time to myself doing my planner. It's becoming one of my favorite rituals. Just a quick overview of how I put down the washi tape, fill in the days. I don't have a lot going on this week. It sort of pops in as the days go, and then I fill in as I go. But it's so great to have a visual and have it just very simple and a place to put everything that's in here down here. So if you enjoyed this video, please let me know. Leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Are you new to planning? Are you a professional planner? If you've been doing it for years, I'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. I would love for you to follow along with me as I'm doing this planner journey. And I will see you next week for week 5.